YouTube, what's going on? This is JT back in my garage time. Back in my garage time. Back in my garage time. Back in my garage time.
Hey guys, welcome back to I Need My Garage Time. If you guys can tell the difference in the audio, it's because my dad and I are on our new microphones that my dad ordered from TicTok. My dad and I also tested them out earlier, and they work pretty well. It also has noise cancellation. They are simple and easy to use and compatible with Android or iPhone and other devices. And we'll put the link in the description. Okay guys, tonight we have an unboxing video for you. We have a later model 1985 Camaro Z28. Daddy, what's up with you and these Camaros? This is your fourth one.
I know, man. It's not gonna be my last either. I can't wait to start on this bill.
Well, this Camaro Z28 is a third gen body style made by Rebel, 124 scale level 4 kit. Okay guys, I'm gonna let my dad take it over.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to I Need My Garage Time. All right, like my baby said, we're going to be unboxing this 1985 Camaro Z28, which is going to be my next build. Now, I've been passing up this kit for the longest. I don't know why. I've been wanting to get it, but I always choose another kit over this kit. So here it is. I have it here. Cost 20% sale. Have it live as usual. So I'm going to open up the box. I've already opened up all the packages. And let's run through it. We're going to start with the rubber. All right, so we have just a regular black rubber, no writing, no nothing, simple treads. So I don't think I'm going to use. Let me see. No, I'm not going to use white leather tires. I ordered some a pack of pack. It come 2 sets by AMT. I ordered from Model Roundup. They had them back in stock, so I paid like $17 for the pack. So I get a chance to replace my tires I used out of the Boss 302 kit. They're the same tires, Firestone oval tires. All right, so here's our first pack, which is our windows, rear and windshield. They are attached, and they do have the holes for the tabs to hold the window in place. All right, here are the tail lights, which these tail lights can be painted with the stoplight red by Testers. Very, very nice color paint. Looks just like it'll come out real nice. Y'all check that out. So we have only 2 packages here. All right, so here we go, y'all. 85 Camaro Z28 third gen body style. We have our door handle already molded. Side marker lights. We have our front clip already in place, so we don't have to worry about sticking the front clip on. Sometimes those things can be a pain in the ass to try to keep the front clips on. So we already got that on there. It'll be cool if this was a T-top. I think they do have a kit that's a T-top. But we got Z28 motor in the back bumper. All right, so let's see here. Okay, you got a problem with me and my Camaro? You wanted to speak now forever hold your peace?
It's just a lot of Camaros that you
Okay, it's not gonna be the last one, girl. It's not gonna be the last one.
Well, I know that.
All right, y'all. So here we go with our interior. We got the back seats already molded in there, and we have our console already molded. Door panels already molded. Y'all know I hate them door panels when they already attached, but there it is. Here's our front seats. Nothing fancy. And there's our front end. And there's our Chevy steering wheel. I think these came also some models of the Blazers. And I want to say one of the Chevy 1500s. I think. I don't know. I know for sure it came in the Blazer and the S10. Here is your belt and pulley assembly. There's your engine. Both sides of the engine. All right. So here is your entire engine bay, where we have our brake master cylinder and reservoir. We have our strut mounts here. We have probably a coolant reservoir here and a washer here, or this might be a, I don't know, one of them. One is one. Y'all get the picture. There's our battery, and we have our fan guard already in place. So that's good because I don't have to mask out the car to paint the engine bay. I can just paint the whole engine bay and detail it and then just sit it in the body. So that's cool. This is gonna be easy to keep the bill, and we have some vents here on the hood, and we have little details here. All right, so here's our subframe, if you will. It already has the bottom of the engine, the oil pan and the bottom. So I guess it's just the two sides go together here. And then here's your entire bottom here. You just set it off in there, and that's it. And the only thing about that is you're probably going to have to hand paint. You're probably going to have to hand paint this. I normally just spray my trans and the engine block, but all right. So here's our wheel backs. I have no idea what this is. There's our intake with our carb already on it, distributor, and a cooling hose. How cool is that? Instead of trying to make them cooler hose stay, that's another thing. They'll paint the butt to the cooling hose. All right, so here's our dashboard with the radio already in it. Got some vents here, look like it. We have our radiator right here. So this is going to be a pretty simple kit. And here we go. We have our IROC wheels. Some people refer to them as mags, 5-stars. I say IROCs because they're IROC rims. So I don't know what color I'm going to paint them, how I'm going to paint them, but I don't know. I don't think on the box art they're gray. So depending on what color I paint the car, I'll worry about that later on. Later on down the line, I saw somebody on a group, a Facebook group. Man, his look real. Before I even clicked on the picture, it looked like a real car. But you know, he done the detailed engine work on it, all the wires, the distributor wires. It looked real. But anyway, his mags were chrome. So, and I've been meaning to try to get me some of that Revell chrome spray, which is I heard is the best. I've watched some videos on it. So yeah, I might try to give me a can of that. All right, so here's the rim with the dry shaft already stuck in it. And we have our breather with two exhaust vents here. And these are the back of the front seats. Y'all know what I noticed? We don't have a chrome tree for the first time. So let's check out these decals. No chrome tree. All right, so here's our decal sheet, and we have five different color decals to choose from for this car, and they also have the Z28s right here. This goes across the windshield, and I'm guessing this maybe go around the steering wheel. Got the Camaro plates and the gauges. I have no idea what these are for, but it says Camaro, so, and they don't have no license plate. We have the lights here, and we have our center caps for the wheels that says Camaro here. We have our Camaro sign for the front grille that goes in the front grille. It goes on top of the front grille. that's supposed to sit right long up in here somewhere. So I'm surprised we don't have a chrome tree. Let's run through these instructions right quick. All right, 85 Camaro Z28 instructions. Revell is always detailed with their instructions too as well. So, you know, they give you the paint option they think it should be painted. And they give you a page with all the with all the parts listed, their names and the numbers. So this will be a simple build. There's your engine. You all right, Kay? All right, so there's your engine. And yeah, I gotta let her hurry up and go to bed. She got a performance tomorrow.
Yeah.
She got to go sing, y'all. She gotta go sing.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Okay, so there's your dashboard interior. There's them lights. Oh, I forgot them lights about 3 different colors. I forgot. And for that, I'll show y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. All right, so that's it for that. That's it for showing that. Let me show y'all something right quick. Uh-oh. I'm messing up all kind of ways. So it don't show it, but as y'all can see here, this tail light is 3 different colors. So, you know, you got your white. So what I use for the amber lights is the tangerine orange testers in a little bottle. It's called tangerine orange. It's perfect color. And of course, a stoplight red in a tester small bottle. So y'all grab those next time you go by the hobby store. All right, so I might test fit tonight, y'all. I don't know. I may test fit. I'm trying to finish up with this GMC General. Right now, the mirrors are giving me hell, so I'm going to take my time and work on those tonight to see if I can get them right. If not, then, you know, I'll just keep trying. But I'm ready to be done with it. I'm ready to move on to my next one. I'm more excited about that one. So, all right, y'all. So that's it, and that's all. I appreciate y'all for watching, and we're out. And we're going to leave a link in the description, like she said, for the
intro.
For the what?
Microphones.
For the microphone. We're gonna leave a description for that. And y'all check out Model Roundup too for those tires, because white leather tires are hard to come across from what I've experienced. So
yep, make sure you like and subscribe, guys.
All right, y'all. That's it. That's all. And we what, Kay?
We out.
There you go.